To add a bundle offer to your product page, start by going to the bottom left and clicking on Atlas. Then click on Bundle Deals and click on Create Bundle. From here, you'll see 4 different templates that you can use. The most common one you'll use is the volume discount, so I'll be going with this. Click on Use this template. And to get everything set up nice and quickly, let's go to the AI Wizard. I'll click on AI Wizard here. Then let's select the product that we want the bundle offer to apply to. Click on Select Products. I'll click on my product here. Go to the bottom right and click on Add. Then let's enter our cost of goods sold. This is the direct cost associated with producing your product. So in my case, and if you're dropshipping, it'll be similar to you, it's going to cost me just about $8 to buy and ship this product out from AliExpress. So I'll enter $8 here. For number of offers, I just leave this as 3. Here you can change the colors for your bundle offer, and you'll be able to see all of the changes reflect over here on the right-hand side. Now let's scroll down and click on Generate AI Recommended Offers. Give that a moment to load, and we'll see that reflect over here on the right-hand side. So here, a customer can buy 1, buy 2 and save, or buy 3. Now with this on our product page, it's going to boost our average order value by upselling and having our customers buy multiple products, all for the same shipping cost. The next thing we need to do is add it to our product page. So let's go to the top here and click on Save to finalize this bundle offer. And from here, go down and click on Take Me to My Store. Let's go to the right-hand side and click on Customize. Then we'll need to navigate to our product page. You can do that by going to the top here, clicking on your navigator, then going to Products, and then your product page. To add your bundle offer to your product page, let's scroll down, and right above your Add to Cart, we'll click on this blue plus icon. Then we'll click on Apps and click on Atlas Bundler. Now we can scroll down and we'll see our bundle offer here. To make sure everything is working properly, we also need to enable 2 more things. First, go to the left-hand side here and click on App Embeds. Then we'll toggle on both Atlas and the Atlas Cart upsells. Perfect. Now everything is turned on and functioning.